All right. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Um, New week, new goals, new money to be made, more money to be lost.
Yeah,
Oh, that's funny. I mean, this out the gate just looks good for a buy. I don't know about you, but yeah.
yeah. I haven't looked at GBP JPY.
Okay, so
Actually, I was charting XAU. I was charting gold.
ah,
Yeah,
okay, cool. Okay. So,
I was, yeah,
let's
and I
see.
observed that it's very, very bearish at the moment.
What is that?
Gold,
Wall.
yeah, on all three Fibonacci's, on hourly, on 4 hours, and on daily.
What is wall?
All are, yeah,
Is that a what is that? Is that a cryptocurrency?
no gold. I'm
Oh,
talking
gold.
about
I
gold.
I didn't I heard wool. I was like, what is that?
No, no, gold, gold.
Oh, gold, gold,
XAU.
gold. Yeah, we'll check it out
Yeah.
now. Um, I'll check it out now. Hey, brother, what's going on? How you doing? Welcome back, bro. Welcome. I'm good, bro. Thanks for asking. I'm alright. How you doing? I hope you're okay. That's good, bro. Alhamdulillah. It's good, 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 good. Okay, I'm bullish on GJ. That's for one. AUD USD. We have bearish daily fib. Daily there, daily here. Bearish engulfing on the daily. Interesting. Okay, let's look at the 4 hour. Hours still bullish. Let's look at this 4 hour here. Let's get rid of this, rid of that, get rid of that. Okay, not seeing much actually on AUDSD. How are the trading going? What? How the trading going on? We haven't entered any trade, we're just analyzing right now. We're just simply analyzing. Euro, JPY. Oh, see that nice market structure level here, and then a bullish engulfing. So I'm certainly bullish on this as well. So daily I'm bullish. Let's keep that there. Love motivational for trading. Lose. What do you mean lose? You lost, not lose. Are you saying you lost motivation for trading? If you did, let me just tell you, I didn't expect much from you anyway. You're just another one of them traders that just gonna come in. Dude, this takes years. It takes years for people to become profitable. You think in 2 weeks you're gonna start making money, and then you already lost motivation. Get out of here, man. Get out of here. Dude, I could be losing money for 5 years straight. I don't care. It's not my time. My time will come when I'm profitable. All that time, I'll make it up. I'll make it up. I don't give a shit. People struggle for years. People lose millions of dollars. And you lost $100 and now you wanna give up. GG's, bro. GG's. That's all I'm gonna say. Is about what people are saying. Do you people actually listen to other people? I've never listened to a fucking single person in my life. I never even listened to my parents, let alone people. Like, it became hard and not much people are profitable. Obviously, bro, if this was easy, everyone would do it. Everyone would be a multi-millionaire. Everyone would start printing money if this was easy. What did you think this was? A walk in the park? People come into this market and expect so much, bro. It's actually so funny. You're right. Of course I'm right. The fuck? When am I not? Go and search other traders' journeys. You'll see people who give up easily don't succeed in life in anything. Exactly. They start something and then they give up. And then they start something and then they give up. And then they start something and then they give up. And then by the time they're 40, 50 years old, they haven't done anything because they kept on starting something and then giving up. Starting something and then giving up. They have a whole bunch of shit that they started and never finished. It's bizarre. Just figure out what you want to do and then just fucking do it. Stop whining and bitching. I could be trading for 7 years and losing money and I would still do it more until I'm profitable. I don't give a shit. It's like a workout. It's like going to the gym for the first time ever, training, and then going back home and look at yourself in the mirror, and then you're upset because you can't see any changes. Do you think it's gonna come overnight? It's not. You go to the gym the next day, you train, you go look at the mirror, nothing. You train again, the third day, you go home, you look at yourself in the mirror, nothing. You still look this exact same thing. But then, after 1 year of going every single day and training, you look at a picture from a year before, and then you look at a picture a year after, I promise you, you will see a difference. If you actually did it for the whole year, not fucked around. But, yeah. That's how it is with everything. It's like building a house. You first put one brick, then the second brick, then the third brick. Every day you put one brick. You look at it, it's just a bunch of bricks. You come 2 months later, it's a whole fucking mansion. It's a brick by brick, step by step. You climb the ladder. Come on now, motivational Kamal is in the building. Like, I was always one of them people that never ever needed motivation or watched motivation or had a weak mindset, or I don't know, maybe it's just my upbringing, maybe it's just my struggles back in the day that made me who I am today. But I motivate the shit out of myself. Like, I don't need motivation. I'm determined. I have discipline. What is motivation? I don't need it. If you really want something badly, why do you need motivation? What, like, means you don't even want it that bad. You want to be motivated to do it. Fuck no, I'm gonna do it. It's done. It's dead. It's already done. I wake up and it's done. I'm doing it. There's no motivation. There's no how I feel. No, I'm doing it. I'm gonna show up every fucking day. I'm never missing a single day. I did that with my bodybuilding, right? I was like fucking 40 kilos, dude. I was the skinniest guy you'll ever see, right? And then in one night, I just decided to make the change, and I decided to be huge, right? 4 years later, I was top 3 in the country. I came second place in Arnold Classic Africa, right? And I was 90 kilograms with 3% body fat. The people I was taking pictures with when I was skinny started taking pictures with me after winning my shows. I have like over 10 trophies and 7 medals sitting in my cupboard. Like, it's just, if I decide to do something, I fucking go for it. Full throttle, like full send. And I didn't watch motivation or I'm so demotivated today, I don't feel like doing it. No, I decided to do something. It's gonna be done. It's dead. It's done. Make video motivation. Yeah, well, there you go. Clip that. Clip that. Clip that. I'm gonna be top G number 2. She didn't reply to you. She belongs to the street. She blue ticks you. Slap, slap, ho, go sleep. Oh man, that's hilarious. Very funny. Dude, I could be a motivational speaker. Top K. Top K. You take the piss now. That's hilarious. I'm gonna make a YouTube channel called Top G. And just do motivational videos. Imagine I do that, hey? Like, that would be funny, actually. I've never thought about it. Hey, where you from? What's going on, bro? Welcome to the stream. Where I'm from doesn't matter. What matters is that we get it done here. We show up every fucking day. We grind. We don't need motivation because we're determined. We're disciplined. And I currently living in the United Kingdom. Top K. Top G. But welcome to the stream, bro. I think this is your first time here. Welcome. Okay. This fucking pair and market structure, it's always bullish. UK, okay. Yeah. What about yourself? Where are you witnessing this from? Where are you watching this from? Probably majority of you are from like the east side, correct? Like where's everybody watching from right now? You guys let me know where you're watching from. France. Hey. Français, bonjour, bonjour. That's all I know. Bonjour, ça va bien? I've been watching you once. Where are you watching from? What's up from Poland? Hey, nice. Poland, France. Where else do we have? I know we have Belgium. I know we have Pakistan. You're being lazy. Jamaica. Hey. Jamaica. I heard Jamaica's nice. I want to go for a holiday. It's warm. It's hot. There's nice beaches, right? What? Jamaica, lol. What do you mean? I'm confused. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Appreciate that. Let me just hit that withdrawal, you know? Let me just wait for that withdrawal to hit. Bang! Your withdrawal has been successful. Bang! Your bank calls you. Are you expecting this money? You don't usually get this much. Fuck, yes I am. Traded my ass off for it. So far, the most the cleanest setup for my strategy is GJ right now. It's lining up so nicely, and that's what I'll be entering buys soon once I get my final confirmation. But the rest is not really I don't know. The rest is a bit weird. And if Euro JPY comes back down to this area, then I'll look into buys as well. But if it keeps going up, I'm not chasing it. Yeah, I want like a nice wick to the downside, triggers it in, then we can go in for a buy. GJ, I want a nice confirmation above this daily level. Once it's broken, then we can take a buy all the way up to this level here. So that's a 47 pip to 17 stop loss. That's a to almost 3 risk to reward ratio. So that is very clean. I'm happy to put some money behind this trade. This trade here, it's super bearish here. We are facing 4-hour and daily support slash demand. But the thing is, like, where would you put, like, it's bearish, right? So if you want to enter, like, where would you enter? I don't want to enter down here, you know, I want to enter up here for a short. So yeah, we'll wait for some crazy retracement, but this is crazy because it could just continue to drop. Not a nice area to sell. And then obviously USD JPY is always fucking around, always bullish. Somebody said we must look at gold. That's you, Hamad, correct?
Yes, I did.
Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Okay, so gold. So on the daily here, we got A, we got B. Okay, GJ just hit the daily level. We got A, we got B. Market made C, and market is on its way back down to D. Right? We have a nice bearish engulfing here on the daily time frame, engulfing previous 2 days. And looking here at my other chart, we do have this daily here. We are now at a daily resistance, but it may not hold because it's already been used, right? So I'm expecting a break and a continuation, which aligns with our daily fib. Now dropping down to your 4-hour Fibonacci, 4-hour time frame. Same thing, price made point A, made point B, made a 88.6 point C, and now it's on its way back to D as well. This lines up perfectly with our dailies as well. Everything is in line, everything is intact, and we are, you can see this a little bit of struggle is because of this daily support. So the reason price made some wick here and wicking around here is because of this daily support. So dropping at a 4-hour time frame here, yeah, that's why price is made just support, because of previously price struggling to break here a little bit, but we just gotta wait and see. Obviously, don't trade gold now because it's a New York, it's not gonna move much during Asia. And I can prove it to you by turning on this indicator sessions, right? So let's have a look, right? So Asia is the yellow, right? Look at New York, massive moves. Asia, consolidation. New York, London, massive moves, consolidation, minimum movement. Asia, and then London, and then New York, Asia, consolidation, like minimum movement. But the big moves are the London and New York session. You can see the color, how much bigger it is. That's just, when you want to know when your pair actually moves a lot, just put on this indicator and look at the sessions. You see Asia sessions are minimum compared to London, New York. So you see, massive move during New York, huge momentum. So therefore, we would only trade it in New York. However, we can always break it down for the members. So 4-hour, boom, boom, we have this area. We have this area as well. So here's what I'm waiting. If this 4-hour closes and then come back and gives me a sell from this level, that would be nice to take a nice sell from that high up there. So yeah, that's basically what I'd wait for, a sell from that area. I wouldn't recommend like doing anything. I usually personally don't do any analysis like less than the 1 hour, 4-hour, just because it gets a little bit too crazy, especially with gold. You don't want to get caught in a wick or get wicked out. So when you have a stop loss above, let's say, a 4-hour level like this, your stop loss is less likely to get hit because it's such a strong level, if that makes sense. And you want to enter on a 4-hour wick rather than, you know, on a 1-minute wick that could easily be broken. You just gotta be careful with that. GJ, obviously I'm looking for buys above that level. So you can see it touched, it broke, rejected a little bit, and yeah, I went a full closure above, retest, continuation. Let's see, what is this? GBP USD. Obviously also don't trade this pair around this time, but we can have a look and see what the hell is up. So we can move this over here. God damn. So you can see we have a divergence here. Price is making lower lows, but on the RSI, it's starting to go up, make a higher low. That tells me the buyers are now kind of coming and interested in the market slowly, but it's not ready yet. Obviously, it can continue to do that for a while. So don't just base your, your trade base of the RSI. Just extra confluences, nothing more. Euro USD, similar thing to GU actually, nothing too crazy. Boom, boom, look at that, price completed this fib. So now I would move this over here, and oops, take this here, boom, and there's my new fib on 4 hour. Looking here at daily, could delete this, don't know why it's up there, price never even got there. So we got one here, we also have one here. Yeah, even here, same thing. You can see RSI lower lows, price is kind of doing a little bit of upwards momentum. 1 hour here. What do you think gold, which direction will it go? Gold is definitely bearish for now. Definitely think it's still very bearish, but I wouldn't do anything right now just because it's off session. Goodness gracious, what is that? Holy. Oh, I'm on the watch list. Shit. There we go. That was a complete different nice. She's just slowly creeping up. RSI above the 50, which is a good indicator. Now that's why it's struggling a little bit, but smaller time frame, slowly breaking above all moving averages. And yeah, please help me. How can I help you, bro? How can I? Oh my god, what just happened? Holy. Momentum are coming in. Let's go, GJ. Fly to the moon. Oh. Yeah, you see, when gold is like right here, it's really difficult to make of it something, right? Like some people be like, that's a support, I'm gonna buy. Look at all this bearish momentum, you can't just ignore it, right? You have to keep all of this in mind. How do you know this support is gonna hold? Tell me. You don't, right? You're fucking guessing. You don't know if it's gonna hold or not. What you do is you wait for a retracement, then you take a sell, because that resistance has a higher probability of working out, right? You are more likely, they say rule number one, day trading, the trend is your friend. So the trend is bearish, right? And that's a 4-hour time frame, right? Trend is bearish. Stop taking every support and a buy at every support. Most of them is not going to hold. You may be right once, but 9 out of 10 times you're going to be wrong. So just wait for a retracement, look for a nice supply area, and then put a sell limit there or something, sell stop or whatever you want. That's more likely you succeed. Then when you do that, your odds becomes 8 out of 10 winners instead of hey man, how much have you earned on your 50k journey? When you say how hold on, then perhaps you should hang up the trial. So I'm basically I think today or tomorrow the gold will fall at 1723 or 1719, and we should get an upward reaction there, and our two strong cultists there. No, listen, I would literally just go with a trend. Yeah, so I would just sell when I see when I see market is at a supply slash so to answer your question, I'm back at level 1 on the 20 to 50k journey. The reason for that is because I was trading it for a while, then I wasn't, then I was trading it, and then you're in a sell already. I don't know why you're trading at this time. Prices, like, you will not get a decent move until fucking New York session. So you're gonna be stuck in consolidation, and it may go against you, it may go in your favor, but the volatility will come in New York / London, but most likely New York. Anyway, I'm back at level 1 with the 20 to 50k journey. So yeah, the account balance is still at around, I think, 21 now. So hopefully today we are able to take it to level 2, 3. I usually try and maximize the profits from every trade, right? Because that way you don't even have to win a lot of times. What you need to do is to squeeze as much as you can from each and every single trade. And that's what I've been trying to do here, with taking less risk positions, but trying to look for more like longer moves. So of course TP1 would always be like a 20 pip TP, right, somewhere around here, and then the final one would be up here. We'll see. So yeah, starting over with that $20 journey, starting over, new week. Hey, what's going on, bro?
I'm good, dude. You can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
What were you talking about? Starting over?
What?
You said you're gonna start over with that $20 journey.
No. He said no. I'm saying like he said, how far are you? I said no, I'm starting over, like, because I'm back at level 1.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I'm like negative 20, so I'll be like depositing another 20 and risking less this time.
Yeah, but we spoke about this, and I know why you're negative, because you were taking a 0.5
Yeah.
lot size, which is insane.
Well, yeah, I mean, I was like trying to lose $5 per trade.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay. New week,
Okay.
new start.
New week, new start, new strategy. Let's do that.
I was gonna say, try a different way now. Try what I've been doing. It's just safer,
Yeah.
because no matter how much you lose, like I lost
Yeah.
how many trades did we lose last week? 3 times, correct? We had 3 losses, and
Well, kind of. You had like white stops, so maybe
yeah,
I lost like 5 trades.
yeah. I was gonna say, yeah, I wouldn't consider my are the two trades that actually eventually went into profit, because I didn't set some stop loss for that. That's the thing. It's managing these trades that just, I mean, comes with experience. Like, I know by eye, sometimes I know by eye, okay, you know what, like, this is my stop loss, like, that's where I recommend, that's where I would put my stop loss, but you know what, I will not do it. However, I will put a stop loss just for the sake of, you know, save everyone some money.
Totally.
Yeah.
So what you've been doing is like you're not looking to lose dollar amount per trade, but you're looking to make a dollar amount per trade. And if it's like 1 to 6 hour, then you want to make $6, you will only lose $1 in that trade, if I'm correct, right? That's your strategy, right?
I think so, because you kind of broke up a little bit like there with your voice, so I couldn't really hear much.
Okay. What I'm saying is, instead of looking to lose like a per dollar amount per trade, for example, like $5 per trade, like I was doing, you're looking to make a dollar amount per trade. Make, like, for example, if your trade is 1 to 6 hours and you want to make $6 on that trade, you will risk $1 on that trade. If I'm correct.
Oh God, yes, I understand what you're saying. Yes, that is correct in a way, but not completely. And the reason for that is, I never focus on the money, the potential, like how much I'm gonna make. I always just focus on how can I minimize my risk, how can I manage my risk, how can I minimize the loss. The profit is the last thing I think about, because the market could go on forever and I'm gonna leave it to run for as long as I possibly can. So I look at to make as much as possible per trade money, but I'm also trying to lose as little as possible.
So you don't have a set risk
A set risk?
or per like trade.
Like, why would I have a set risk when I could just minimize my risk? If I know this trade is gonna hit stop loss, I can take some partials out and lose less than a set risk. What's good is you can have a set take profit in a way sometimes, because sometimes you're not too greedy, you take your profits and you walk away, and that sometimes saves you when market turns around against you, right? However, you will lose on a lot of runners, so it's kind of like, what do you want to do? Do you want to leave runners, or do you want to take your profits and walk away and miss a potential huge move in your favor? It's a lot of possibilities, man, endless possibilities. I just go with, you know what, I'm gonna try and minimize my loss. I'm gonna try and lose as little as I possibly can, but also try and make as much as I possibly can. Hey,
Are you in trade right now?
sorry.
I'm asking, is this a trade right now? Like,
Well, I'm waiting for confirmations, but that's the idea, yes, to go long.
okay. Can you like screenshot it though? Like,
I will as soon as you know, as soon as as soon as we get like the confirmation, I'll send it, because I don't want to send it now, and because I remember Ahmad once said only send the screenshot when you actually want to enter, because I sent the trade idea, not necessarily to enter. He thought it was a signal and entered, but it wasn't.
yeah. Okay. All right. Right now we're both at $20. Let's see what our lot sizes are. I mean, I have my own concept and you have your own concept. Let's see how we calculate ours.
Yeah.
Because it should be similar now.
Let's go for it. Unless what you want to do is like really follow this to the T. Like, when I say to the T, I really mean it.
Like as you like.
Like,
you mean is
like follow this spreadsheet to the fucking T. Like literally.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so basically.
I mean, no. Let's risk less, like you. I mean, that's what I meant.
Okay, you want to risk less? Okay.
Yeah. Fuck spreadsheet right now. I just want to get some experience.
Okay.
That then we can think about it, winning something like that.
Okay. All right. Let's see here.
Also,
That's
like I've been also doing like my Forex funds challenge with you know I'm doing $20 account and one my FX challenge 5,000 account, but
that.
like I'm down 4% right
Oh gosh.
now.
Damn.
Yeah, so I'm like down to like $200 on that challenge.
Yeah.
So I'm
So
not sure like what my strategy should be right now. Should I like lose less, like 0.5 risk? What do I do? I've
no,
been
you.
using 1% risk.
That is, 1% risk, and then if you see prices going against you, you can always take partials and make it less than 1% risk, if that makes sense.
Yeah, there's been so many times where I was like at least at 1 hour and then just goes back.
Gosh.
So I should still, you're saying risk 1% because there's like a limit
So
of
let me.
how
I'll tell you
how.
how, because I took a 10k FDMO, right, and this is how I passed it. Super simple, super easy. 1% risk, as much profit as possible. So I would take my 1%
Okay.
risk. I would then, when price hit my take profit, I would move stops to break even or a little bit in profit just to make like 100, $200. But then I wouldn't have a TP. Like I would leave it, right? And then if I get back, like if price returns back and stops me out at 100 or $200, it's whatever. But if price continues, it could sometimes it runs, bro. And I passed that fucking challenge in 1 week, less even, 2-3 days.
Awesome.
It was, and I was on my holiday back then. Like I was chilling, vibing, trading from my iPad. I wasn't even like fully in, and I was just like, I thought like, okay, this is how I'm gonna do it because I'm not on my desk. I'm gonna just set a TP. I mean, set no TP, set 1% risk, and leave it, and see how much I make. And each trade would run for more than my TP sometimes.
Already in the just 1%.
You're breaking what?
I'm saying right now I'm already in the red. Just 1%.
What's already in the red? What do you mean?
My account is 4% down.
Yeah, but you can bring it up. You can save it still because your total loss is 10%, correct?
12% actually.
Okay, so you still have what, 8?
My fault.
No, what do you have? 6% to go.
8%. No, 8%.
You said your total loss must be 12 for you to fail?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was 10.
Yeah, in FTMO, but in my Forex funds, it's much less. Not to mention my Forex fund challenges are like way cheaper. At least.
I've never looked into Forex Fund. Are they trusted?
You didn't trust it?
No, I'm saying, is it trusted? I've never really looked into them. I've always gone with FDMO.
Everybody talks about, these two as the biggest company, FTMO and my Forex fund. They're often compared.
So they trusted. Yeah. Okay, I'll give it a try. I'm gonna then buy a challenge soon.
Yeah, it's absolutely amazing, honestly. Very, very professional, man.
I mean, if they give you 12%, that means that they're better than FTMO. That means they're less risky. Like
exactly, and even better, the thing I like is your profit target is 8% instead of 10%.
So they definitely competing with FTMO.
Extremely good.
They definitely competing with FTMO.
Absolutely. I mean, in FTMO you have to make 1-on-1. In this you have to like make 8% on 12%.
Can you trade news?
I asked them that, but I think you can.
Because that's something, the first ever FTMO challenge I bought, I failed because of trading news, and I didn't know why I failed. I was talking to support. Really? I was like, bro, I'm in profit. Why did I lose? He was like, oh, you took a trade during news. And I was like, fuck you, why didn't you tell me that? Why didn't you guys like say something about it? He was like, oh, but you can see the small writing in the end that you ticked I agree? That the writing that nobody ever reads, that's where it was. I was so annoyed, bro.
Yeah,
Super annoyed.
that sucks. No,
Imagine,
I don't know about that, but I'll have to ask them if we can. Because, I mean, a normal retail trader, a new beginner, doesn't even know, okay, this is a news time right now, so imagine
yeah,
getting stopped out. But no, I think you can trade news because there are like literally no restrictions on weekends or, overnight holding or stuff like that.
I got you. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
Okay. Well, initially my plan today was to use 0.5% the risk, but yeah, let's see.
Yeah, 2.5 is a
Oh,
little bit too much.
no, 0.5.
Oh, 0.5. Oh, I thought you said 2.5 because you're breaking.
No,
Yeah, that's fine.
okay, Andrew. Sorry. Uh, Kamal, I'm gonna send a screenshot. Can you look at it?
Okay.
Yes. So, do you know SMC? And I'm sure you know SMC. I think your style is very SMC-like,
My
right?
style is SMC like.
Kind of. You take the bottoms and tops.
Well,
Don't you think?
you must buy low and sell high. Yeah, that's the concept.
Well, but our tactic is like getting good risk reward, right? Anyway,
100%.
I was watching a video of SMC yesterday, and I came across this indicator, this paid indicator, and I applied for a free trial, 7 days, and then I think it's like 56 a month, 56 bucks a month. So I have it applied on the charts, and it automatically, you know, highlights the supply demand. So I think it's very close to what we have drawn on our charts.
So this screenshot is from the indicator, right?
Yeah, the indicator and the red lines I drew for myself.
Yeah, these are, I can see, yeah. I mean,
So
honestly,
what do you think about it?
I mean, listen, it's, I mean, like I said, we can all agree that this is a supply, this is the demand. It's just simple. Like, why would I pay for something to tell me that's a
Of
supply and
course,
that's a demand? I already know
of
that.
course, of course, of course. The idea basically is that you don't have to charting basically. And there's like 7 more indicators, premium indicators that come with it. Let me show you that. So, I mean, if that takes a lot of your time, you can literally just buy this indicator and apply it on any chart that you want. So,
Fair, 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 fair.
so you basically save a bunch of time. But I'm pretty sure I wanted to ask you, what do you think about it? Is it worth it? Blah, blah, blah. Not for me, obviously. I'm not like going to buy it, but for somebody that's like a successful trader, doesn't have a lot of time, maybe looking to save some. What do you think about it?
No indicators ever worth it. I'm sorry, I do not believe in indicators.
Well, this is not like an indicator, just kind of like a charting. Think about it like that.
Yeah, but how lazy can you be? You fucking put a line on your charts, Jesus. Get your ass up,
Uh,
highlight your
Valid
areas,
point.
and trade. Why do you need an indicator to do that for you?
Well, to save time, I guess.
For save
You
time.
can apply,
You
you can
sit.
apply it on any chart.
Who doesn't have time? You sit on your ass taking a shit for 20 minutes watching Instagram reels and TikToks and bullshit. Spend some 5 minutes on the charts. Holy crap.
Yeah, I get it. I get it, bro. But
Everyone has time. I don't believe in I don't have time. You're not fucking.
yeah, everybody has time, but sometimes you want do some things on the background. You want the computer to do it for you because like
Nah, nah,
tired looking at the chart.
nah,
You know?
nah, 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 nah. That is some next level laziness. I'm sorry. I don't want to highlight my charts. I want an indicator to do that for me. I don't want to trade. I want a robot to do that for me. I don't want to walk. I want a car to take me here. Jeez, man.
All right. Well, I still think, you know, if these levels hold up, it would be pretty interesting, maybe even worth it. Well, I'm not gonna buy it, but yeah, it's something in the back of my mind.
It's useless. I already know these areas from experience.
Really?
From yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
I
I'm not saying.
gave you the key. I showed you the way. Trust me. This indicator is telling you
Yeah.
already. Is telling you what I already
Uh-huh.
told you and taught you in a different way, in a different form. It's like me saying, "Oh, look at this car. It's a Lamborghini," and then the indicator saying it's a Ferrari. But we both right. It's a car. No matter what brand it is, it's still a car.
Yeah.
So whether
Yeah.
so that's the point of the indicator. I'm telling you this with lines. That shit is telling you the same thing, but with areas and triangles and boxes,
Yeah.
and it's too
Of
busy.
course. Of course, it's the same thing.
It's too busy for my eyes
Absolutely.
too. Like I like,
Absolutely.
yeah.
I'm not saying it's not the same thing. I'm just saying that it saves up some time. But yeah, I mean, if you can do that, you can literally save $59 a month, but you know, a little active. That's I'm totally with you.
You know what? I'm gonna be open-minded. Give it a try. Give it a week, and come to me
Yeah.
with the
Yeah,
results.
why not, man? Why not? Exactly. That's what I did. It's like a free trial, so just check the check the thing. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. Who knows? But I wanted to show you because we trade like literally supply and demand zones, and this is supply and demand. At least it claims to.
100%. I'm sure there's a free
Okay, one
indicator
more.
there for supply and demand.
Yeah, they also have a free indicator. You can search Sonar Lab,
So let's see this.
and they have like a free.
Supply and demand zone. Yeah, supply demand zone. Upgrade. What? Oh, I added it twice.
Okay.
What is this? Why? Okay, so I'm guessing this is yellow supply and this is demand. Man, how is that 20 pip challenge? Hey, bro, starting fresh, back at zero. Well, not zero, like level one. Yeah, we're back at level one now.
What is that blue line where you have your entry set up?
It's a
Why
daily.
did you
It's a daily.
say daily?
Daily. Yeah, daily made the support. So let's
Well,
see.
the line, the candle hasn't finished yet, so right?
No, both candle
This,
closed, and this is the third day. So look,
oh,
candle,
okay.
second candle. This is the third day.
I thought you said to only trap the price.
Sorry.
So why are you putting? Well, we trap the price between the red one. So why do you need to have like a blue in the middle?
I have blue because that's my daily area that's currently in use.
Okay.
So if an area is still valid, I will not remove it until it's not valid.
What kind of confirmation are you waiting?
Something like this.
One indicator I'm using out of the indicators I sent you a screenshot. It's the fourth one. Their main indicator, Sonar Labs, SMC, Smart Concepts. You can't find it here. And
What?
right on.
Supply and demand alerts, smart money. These indicators be hitting different. Let's see. Supply and demand zone, supply and demand order block, multi time frame. Let's see this one. Okay, do your magic. Oh, look at that! Look at this order block. And we look at that perfect sniper entry. I'm joking, by the way. Okay, so let's see how this performed, right? Here's a supply. It failed here. Boom. Stop loss hit.
Oh, fuck that indicator, bro. It's like some random guy that made this.
Let's watch this, right? Boom. Here's the order block. Here's the supply, right? Okay, tapped here. It went down, right? Consolidated. A little bit more in profit. If you took profit here, cool. If you didn't, you got it stopped out here.
Bro,
Right.
fuck this indicator. Like, you can use one with smart money concepts for free. You can write Sonar Lab, and I think it's called Order Block OD. Order Block OB indicator.
So
it's
here,
free indicator.
this one here, 15-minute time frame, it never triggered, it never hit. It was super close, then price melted. This would have been a very nice trade if it actually hit. But look at this, right? Do you see my daily level?
Yeah, exactly. Our levels match with these indicators, like, closely. Think about it.
Look at my 4-hour here. Where is it sitting? In literally inside of the 15-minute demand order block.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I sent you this indicator. I mean, like, maybe we can use it because, if we're too lazy, guys.
No, but why are we using two different things that says the same thing? Like, why are we using multiple things that says the same thing? Makes no sense.
No, let's only use one thing. But yeah, do give it a try for like a week. Maybe if you don't like it, cancel it.
Let's
$0.
Let's go to give me a random Asian pair that I can smart money breakdown for you guys. What pair should I do a smart money breakdown on?
Asian pair, USD JPY. Let's go with that.
USD JPY.
Yeah.
Okay. Remove drawing. Okay, so we identified a supply order block. We have a demand order block here. And to refine this supply played out, you can see this order block, tapped into it, sell, boom. Therefore, that is valid. Then the next daily was here. And then if we want to refine this, we can, we can just basically take this, boom, like that. That's a refined. So let's refine even more.
Telling us to sell?
Bang, bang. That's the refined entry.
Exactly. I have the same thing almost myself.
Now look, right? I've just broke down this quick in smart money, whatever supply and demand, right? But if you remember my strategy, what do we have here? 4 hour time frame. Look at that.
Exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I have like literally the same thing marked up.
So I basically have best of both. I have the sniper entry of a smart money concept, and I have the win rate of a retail trader. Because obviously, smart money, they lose like 90% of the time. They're always getting stopped out because they have 2 pip stop loss. Let's be honest. You're always getting wicked out. Let's not lie.
You don't need to use that like you know,
Everyone
conservative
uses 2 pip
stop loss.
stop loss, 1 pip stop loss on smart money. They keep refining it. They
No,
keep
man,
refining it until they find like
fuck
one
that.
minute, until they go to a 1 minute order block, and then
Yeah.
they set the stop loss there because they're so afraid of losing money, because they're risking a lot, and then they get stopped out and they do it all over again.
No, fuck that, bro. Let's use a reasonable, stop loss to be that.
Here's a demand area that never got triggered. Right, this never got
Finish.
triggered. But if you do my strategy, look what we have here. This could have been the perfect buy. See that? Anyway,
Come on, let's give it a try anyway, for 1 week. Why don't we?
what do you want to give a try?
Yeah, I'm telling you, let's give it a try.
Give what a
Okay?
try?
For this indicator, the one I showed you.
Yeah, good luck. Yeah, let me know how it goes.
Yeah, don't you want to give it a try then
I'm fine, thank you.
for 1 week?
You go ahead and you let me know how you do.
Well, it's all still like a little bit mess for me because I'm not sure how these things work, but I'm pretty sure to look at it, you will know. Maybe it's
You're a smart guy, you
working.
can figure out.
Need some time out for Fajr.
Alright, brother.
What is the Hamad saying?
Uh,
What is Hamad saying?
he's going for Fajr, he's coming back. No, I'm not. I mean, Aminata, I'm not. Not yet. I will send a signal when I go in. Don't worry. We're just waiting for confirmation. Um. Hold on, give me 1 second, I'll be back. Jeez. Look at this shit, bro. It's just flying. What level is he on? Still level 1, Geordie. Still level 1. Level 1, bro. Level 1. Starting over.
Jordy, like some YouTube guy.
Jordy. Jordy's in the house. What's up, Jordy? Usually it's Jordan. Never seen Jordy.
Jordan Belfort is on our like live stream awesome.
What?
Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street.
His name is
Nice
Jordy?
to have him. Jordan. I think it's Jordan Belfort.
Yeah, Jordan, not Jordy. Yeah, Jordan is common, but yeah, Jordy is a little different.
Oh. Nice candle, by the way.
Nice what?
Nice candle.
Like this bullish candle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It really makes you think maybe I should have taken the trade before confirmation.
No, but you see, you can't. That would have been a gamble. How did you know it was gonna fly like this? You don't. But now that it did, now we just wait for a little retracement to enter for a buy. Now we are more sure.
So should we set the limit order right now?
Let the candle close first. Yeah, I'll definitely wait for the candle to close.
It's huge. You and I have the same lines on the chart.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Why does your right chart look so messy?
Oh, trust me, it's not. I will I will I will do this. I will give you guys the information you need about this tomorrow during the day. We'll do a private call and I'll break down everything and why I have all these, trust me, huge reason.
I was
Huge.
gonna say this looks like this chart is in like a slasher movie. Just slashed it up. Blah blah blah.
Yeah. Nah, trust me. Tomorrow it'll all make sense. But because today I'm live on YouTube,
Butcher.
yeah, it's I'm not gonna say nothing. But don't you stress. Tomorrow we'll do a private call.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do a private call with the Discord. And then I'll break down everything. It's gonna blow your mind. Let me just tell you that tomorrow
Okay.
the class will blow your mind. It's gonna open a whole new door for you.
Let's go. Let's do this.
Yeah, this is like this is next level advanced shit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I'm pretty sure I grasped the beginner thing.
Oh, the beginner bullshit is everywhere, bro. You could go on fucking babyclips.com and find that beginner bullshit.
Well, I meant your shit. Like I meant the way you chart. I'm talking about that.
Oh, you mean like
I
my left chart? How I chart up my left one? It's basic.
Yeah, it's very basic. It's very easy to comprehend.
Yeah, but not necessarily basic, because 90% of people out there do not do what I'm doing. They either trade obviously the smart money concept that you showed me, the boxes, the triangles, or they have the average support and resistance, right?
Yeah.
So
Well,
yeah, it may be
are
easy.
Are you a programmer? Like, do you know coding?
No.
You know, if you find somebody like, you know, who programs trading scripts, you can even program your script on a trading chart, and it's gonna be automated. The exact same thing. Not that hard to code. Do you know that?
I get it. Like I guess it makes sense, but
I'm a I'm a programmer, but it's been a while since I programmed, so I don't know a lot of languages and stuff. But I can easily see this. It's a very simple program. It's not even complex. You can code this. Wouldn't you want that? Like,
I mean,
put it automate.
like I said, it's very simple to do. So I'm
Yeah,
really not struggling to do it. So like, it's not bothering me. I'm
that's
okay doing
fine.
it.
That's fine. All I'm saying is you can pay like $10 to a Fiverr guy and he'll have it code for you.
Yeah,
One.
yeah, yeah. To make me like the indicator that could just press a button and then all these lines are on my
Exactly.
charts.
Exactly the same way you chart market up because you have very specific rules. That's exactly what coding means. Very specific rules of
But
charts.
I do enjoy charting up my charts.
So okay, that's not if you enjoy something. Why? But I was just
I
saying
really
that
do.
this
I'm
is
sure
doable.
you just saw that just now. I was like doing some weird shit. I was breaking down different strategies, different way of charting up the
Yeah,
charts. Sometimes just fuck around like that. But nothing at the end makes sense to me more than what I already do. Let's like honestly. I'm gonna ask you to
got it.
now go and do a random how you used to mark up your charts compared to now. You're gonna feel a little bit odd and out of place, and you're gonna be like, nah, I would rather put that there actually. Because you would always get the better entry doing it the way I'm doing it.
Yeah. Okay, I got you. I never marked my charts. Maybe like some trend lines. Nothing cross support. Never did support.
Yeah.
So yeah, come on. One thing I want to ask you
Yeah.
is that don't you said you not don't take every trade on your main account. Is that true?
What
Like
did you say?
you mentioned that you're very picky when you are selecting trades for your main account, right?
You really break down, and I keep hearing main account, but I don't hear anything before that.
Yeah, I'm saying that you're not taking this trade on your main account, right?
Maybe
Yeah.
depends.
Yeah, all I'm saying is maybe sometimes, you know, let's be a little bit picky here as well because let's treat this because this is our main account. I mean, I'm sure it doesn't matter to you, but like, kind of matters to us.
Yeah, but that's
So
that's
all
why I
I'm saying
always
is let's be, yeah,
that's why I always preach. Don't make any trade matters. So stop
yeah,
making it
I
matter.
know. So what? My question is, if you're, why don't you take it on your main account? Wouldn't that improve your overall profit per month for the
Yeah,
month
yeah, but
or not?
yeah, but who said I don't? Let's say, so with my main account, I have set rules, set percentage that I target, and then when I reach that from day two in the month, I don't even have to take a single trade for the rest of the month. I can,
Yeah, but if you do, you're gonna make more compounding interest.
yeah, but I could also lose more.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
One thing
And
I
I guess when
learned,
it's such a main account, the psychology kicks in,
and then if you make
right?
enough money, like greed is the one thing is if one thing I've learned is greed is the worst thing you could have when trading forex, because it's gonna bite you, and it's gonna bite you hard. So when I have, let's say, a 5% target on my main account, and I hit that from like day 3, day 4 of the month, I don't even have to trade for the rest of the month. That's why I started this whole challenge, because I get bored not trading. um it's like I see all these opportunities and I want to enter, but I know that I've hit my main target and I'm okay for the month, and I'm compounding it slowly but surely, and doing it the safe way, and sleeping good at night, not have to think about the money I've lost, or you know. That's why I start a $20 account to just fuck around with and take every opportunity the market presents me, and with a positive risk to reward. I don't even have to have a good win rate. I would still somehow make money. Listen,
Well,
trading
do you
shouldn't
think
be
we're ever gonna?
trading shouldn't be, why don't you take this on your main account? Listen, trading is whatever you wanted it to be. I decide. Like, it shouldn't be like, oh, but you see, why don't you take it here? You could make, like, I know, but like, I choose not to. I can do whatever I
Well,
want. You know what I'm saying?
they can, yeah, they can are closed. Should we place the order?
Yes, I would. Yeah, yeah, I would place a buy limit here. Let's put an alert here.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna send in the trade ideas because I can't see just right now.
But yeah, let me actually do that. Mosai. Easy dubs. I risk 40% on this trade. Jesus, man. You crazy. Oh, wait. You probably have like $10 account and you're risking $4, right?
So how many trades are you opening for this $20 account? I'm opening 2 for 101 long.
All in on this trade. You guys are crazy, bro. I should put a $5 though. Yeah. Risking full margin and it's probably a $10 account. You guys are funny, man.
Oh?
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm asking you how many trades are you opening? I'm opening 2 for 0.01.
Okay, that's cool. I will probably open what's the stop loss? Let me see. 17 21, let's say 7. I would probably open 3
1?
3001.
The total risk is $3 on this.
Hey?
So your total risk is $3.
Probably. I mean, I'll probably close. No, I'll probably like manage risk and probably close a little bit before.
None of the trades you're talking about. You talk about one of the trades, right? That you'll close
Yes.
like at 1 hour or something.
I'd close one early, then one halfway, and then instead of full risk, then it'll be I divide my risk to three. Um, to three. Do you know what I'm saying? Like to split it up instead of one big stop loss, three minimum ones. So I'd lose less.
And let's hope that retrace it first before going down.
Hey?
I'm saying let's hope that it retraces first.
Yeah.
Don't we have any other setups other than GJ?
Any other setup tonight? Nah, nothing is that clean except you're a JPY, but I have an alert, so I'm still waiting for a retracement.
Yeah, I also wanted to ask you this. Like,
Yeah, all the way
why
down
do you
here.
trade the pairs that you trade? Why do
Because I trade
Yeah.
Asia session pairs because I am mostly trading Asia sessions.
okay, because that's the time that you get to trade? That's why?
Yeah. So if I wake up in London time, I would probably trade GBP USD, I'll trade gold, I'll trade GJ still London, I'll trade Euro USD. I'll trade pairs that moves in London. So whatever session, whatever time it is, I'll trade the pairs for that specific session.
So why do sessions matter? Because of the volume and
Yeah, because
market.
of that. Yeah, because that's when the banks are open.
Yeah, gotcha. So when I become like a actual trader, maybe I'll start trading sessions that are more because this session is 4 a.m. and I'm still not fucking used to this, even after 4 or 5 times.
Yeah, no,
Still
listen,
takes
I, I,
balls to
I
wake up.
completely understand. That's why you need to find whatever time. Like for me, my lifestyle, is a little
Yeah,
like it's a little bit difficult for me to wake up for London because I'm a family man. I have things to attend to in the morning, so I can't be on my charts with everybody trading London session. But what I can be do is Asia session. Therefore, I make myself trade Asia pairs. So if you do not, if your times and your schedules is the complete opposite to me, what you can do is like just stick for the, what do you call it, the trade ideas. Just take the trade, go back to sleep, and trade the session you are awake, and.
yeah, I know. So I was thinking about buying like a trade copy of
Terrible
Forex course.
idea.
Do you think that's like why?
Listen, bro,
Yeah.
anything and everything out there that is robot um indicators, fucking anything besides raw trading you and the chart is bullshit, and I don't believe in it. Straight up. I have $40 account.
Oh
Which slot is better for scalping? I mean,
well,
that question, that question, you the only person who knows the answer to that question, because it's you. How much do you want to risk? I mean, I don't know, maybe if I had a $40 account, I want to go all in, and either I blow it or double it. Maybe you don't want to do that. This is your main account and you want to actually be more, safer with your trades. So maybe you want to risk $1 per trade. These questions, you guys, you are the only person who knows the answer for, not me. I could tell you risk this amount, and then, but maybe you're not happy with the risk. Maybe you don't want to risk that much, or maybe you want to risk more. So it's up to you and you only. Listen to yourself and do whatever you are comfortable with doing.
wow, how is it a bad idea, by the way?
For me personally, everything is a bad idea. Signals, trade copier, indicators, everything is a bad
Yeah,
idea.
I know, I know. I'll be copying somebody's signals. For example, when you take a trade idea, I'll like automate that.
Okay,
That's still a bad idea.
everything
Okay.
is a bad idea. Yeah, everyone should learn how to trade for their own. This is why I don't offer signals. I don't offer anything. I offer mentorship. What that is, we trade together. I'm not gonna, I'll teach you my way. I'll teach you how I trade. I'll show you the trades I'm taking. It's not a signal, but it's a mentorship. So I'm building a community. You are in a community with other traders you can talk to, trade with us live. It's a live trading environment. It's a live trading community. It is not a signal service. It is not a, you know, I will teach you. I will mentor you. Everything else is on you. I
Brother
will.
Kamal,
Yes, brother.
uh, are you done with the question?
I think. Are you happy? Are you satisfied with the answer? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yes, Yes, sir, Hamad. Go ahead. Hamad.
Yeah, can you listen to me? Can
Yeah,
you
yeah, I
hear
can.
me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so can I have a look at your 4 hours Fibonacci on AUD USD, please?
Absolutely.
Okay, so these are exactly what I have drawn. And do you consider it to be complete? It hasn't touched the minus.
Your voice kind of stopped halfway through. Can you repeat what you said?
Can you listen to me now?
Yes.
Okay, so my and your Fibonacci are almost the same. They're not almost, they're accurately the same.
Okay.
And what I have seen is that it hasn't touched the minus 27%.
Correct. So I will keep it on. Is that what you're asking? Hello?
What I'm asking.
Sorry, you went I couldn't hear you there for a second. I got you, bro. I got you. Um Hamad, you breaking, like I can't hear you sometime for a while.
Yeah, there's a lot of internet problem over here in Pakistan.
Yeah, so like I hear you good for a second and then you go quiet completely and then nothing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
can you hear me
now,
now?
yes. Go ahead.
Okay, so do you consider it to be completed, this pattern? It hasn't touched mine.
No, this is not completed. And I would just keep this here for now. However, I would pay more attention to the 1 hour time frame because you can see it's much cleaner. We have point A, we have point B, price made in exactly perfect clean point C, and now heading traveling down to negative D. Oh, sorry, yeah, point D. I hope you heard me there. You heard me? Did you hear what I said now?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Perfect. So does that answer your question? But yeah, I will keep it.
Yes.
I will keep it, ignore it, just focus on the 1 hour right now and see when this is complete, then you can have a new fib and then maybe catch a nice short. Because daily bearish, 4 hour bullish, but 1 hour is bearish as well, aligned with the daily. So we have two against one. So I would go with the majority.
Where does your 0.27 come to on the hourly Fibonacci? Mine is at 0.67835.
Zero, you said, hold on, let me put price. 0.7835. My negative 27 is at 0.67839.
Oh,
Yeah, brother.
can you hear me? Yeah, I just asked my first one, and yeah, you can trade the news. There's like literally no restrictions on that.
You can trade the news, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah, nice. Yeah, they're definitely allowing everything. They're allowing everything. What's its name? FTMO
FTMO
doesn't.
doesn't.
Yeah. to
Yeah, they're
compete.
competing hard.
Yeah, 100%. That's cool. That's
So
cool
you
though.
think you're gonna take a challenge with them sometime?
Yeah, why not? Why not? I can definitely do it. But I want to finish this challenge actually. Like I want to complete this challenge before I do that.
Yeah. Do
Do you
you
want
think this challenge is ever gonna finish? We come back to the one all the time.
all the time? How long have you been doing this, brother?
Well, well, you know,
How many
the
attempts
four
have
or
you
five days
had?
that took. I'm talking
4 or 5 days, and you're already complaining.
about. Well, you know, it's not as easy as it looks. That's
I never said it's gonna be easy. If it
yeah,
was easy, everybody would do it and be a millionaire by now.
yeah, exactly. You know, when I first started this challenge, I'm like, I had my spreadsheet. I'm like, okay, when I'm gonna complete this challenge, I'm gonna do this, and then yeah, everybody. I was like a millionaire in my head at the start of this challenge. I'm like, okay, this is my plan.
Yeah.
I think everybody that first gets into trading has like a plan. It's like, okay, by the end of the month, I'm gonna be a millionaire.
No, listen. Of course, I can't blame you for that. I mean, we all guilty from it.
Yeah, it's just so funny. And then once you get hit by reality, you're like, ah. So
Re
that's why not everybody's not a millionaire.
reality 6 in.
So that's why other people aren't millionaires. I got it.
That's why 90 people lose 90% of their money in the first 90 days.
Exactly. You're like thinking that you're from that top 5%, but actually you're from that 95%.
You're just another guy.
You're just another guy. You know, when everybody has the fantasy of surviving a zombie apocalypse, you're thinking of yourself as the guy that survives, and
Yeah, but let's be honest here, right? Let's be honest.
you're gonna be a zombie.
Yeah, but no.
You're just gonna be a zombie.
Okay, no, I'm gonna stop you right there. Let's be honest. Okay, you're talking to
Yeah.
somebody, which is me, who's been playing zombies since I was 10 years
Yeah.
old. I am super ready. I am super prepared. I've played every single zombie game that ever existed. I've been playing
The
zombies,
Walking Dead.
everything. I've watched The
Telltale.
Walking Dead. I've watched Fear the Walking Dead. I've watched Z Zombies. I've watched every single zombie slash vampire slash series you can name right now. I know how to
That's
deal
gonna
with
give you an
situations.
advantage, bro.
Dude, you must see
I
the
was
collection of knives and swords I have.
really.
No, I'm taking the piss at this point. No, but like I would 100% know exactly what to do. The worst thing to do is to stay in one place when there's a zombie apocalypse, because they have the numbers, and if you're staying in one corner and you run out of food, you're fucked.
How do you survive? How do you move around with the zombies?
You stay in the open. Let me tell you why. They come from the south, you go east. They come from east, you go north. When you
But they're everywhere. They're like northeast, west, south. They're everywhere.
Okay, but you're not surrounded like a fucking circle. They're dumb. They're zombies. They're running
Okay,
to.
first of all, what kind of zombies are we talking about? Like The Walking Dead or World War Z zombies? What kind of zombies?
I was thinking like the Walking Dead zombies.
God, those zombies are pussies.
That's what I'm saying. They're very slow. They just have the numbers,
Yeah.
so you can easily
Yeah.
like kind of run around and you know what I can do as well is to kill one, fucking
Yeah.
go fucking head first in its blood, so that they can't smell me as a human, so that I can smell like them. Like how when Fear the Walking Dead, the brother did and survived. He killed one and then he took his blood and painted all over his body, and then he was able to walk through the zombies without them detecting that he was a human,
Did you
because
watch? Did you play the Walking Dead Telltale games?
the Walking Dead game.
Yeah, the Telltale
No,
games.
I played all Call of Duty Zombies game.
Oh, okay. Well, Kamal, it's like all good in theory, but you know, once the zombie apocalypse really hits, it's gonna be high probability you're gonna be a zombie.
I feel like it depends on the zombie we're talking about. Let's be honest.
Well, you know, if it's a pandemic, I mean,
Yeah, but what
there's a
type
high
of zombies?
probability we're gonna catch it.
Are they
No.
are they running around
I'm
jumping, or are they slow and stupid?
no, I'm not asking. I'm not like visualizing a zombie giving you the virus. I'm like just a pandemic, like coronavirus. You just get the virus. It's in the air, stuff like that.
I never got the virus.
Never got the virus. I got the virus. I think 2 times now.
Jeez, I never
One
got
time I got.
I never got
One time I got
coronavirus.
tested. One time I got tested, and the other time I didn't. But I had the virus.
No,
So,
and I
it
was
sucks. The
going
virus
out,
sucks.
and I was going out everything. I wasn't even like being safe or hiding. No, I was still working full time. Everything I worked, and I never got it.
The first time I got the virus from my sister because she was traveling. Second time because I was traveling, I got the virus. It sucks, man. It's not a good feeling. Trust me.
Damn,
Do you like feel missed out? You know, that
Missed-
you didn't get the virus.
fuck no!
Yeah.
Thank God I didn't get it.
You know, you kind of have like a curiosity. Hey, I wonder how does Corona feel?
I'll tell
Yeah,
you, like a
that's
shitty ass bad flu.
Yeah, exactly. Like you get fever 9 days straight. This is not a good.
You see, that's what I'm saying. I don't have to go through it. I'm a person that learns from other people's mistakes. So if I see somebody going through it, I just learn from it, right? I watch, I observe, I learn.
Exactly.
I don't have to go through it myself. Fuck that.
Well, for the record, I didn't want to go through it myself. I just got it. You know.
Yeah, if you get it, it's not in your control, but yeah.
Of course. I mean, well, you know, truthfully, nobody wants to get it. Like, let's
Of
be
course
honest,
not.
nobody says, "Hey, sneeze in my mouth. I want to see how it tastes like,"
Yeah,
or you know how it feels
nah,
like.
nah.
But yeah, how's the situation in UK? Like, do you guys still get corona there or not? Is it still like, or
Like, yes, I live in the UK, but I don't live in the UK, if that makes sense. Like, I am so isolated. I do my own thing. I never watch TV. I don't open news. I don't watch news. Dude, in just outside my door, I have no idea what's going on out there. Besides, if it's sunny or rainy. Like, I couldn't care less
Right.
about what is happening in the country. Zero care.
Because of the trading,
No,
or
no,
just
just
bad,
because why would I bother myself with unnecessarily bullshit that I can't control?
yeah.
Why would
I say the same thing to my mother, but she also
like when
always
yeah, like when
views frivolous topics on the news.
sometimes when I speak to my dad and we speak about politics, I was like, why are you
Yeah,
so
why not?
bothered,
Not would
bro?
we care, right?
Like exactly, like
Exactly.
relax. It doesn't change nothing in my.
In,
I always tell my I tell my wife, I tell my dad, I tell everybody this sentence. If it doesn't bring me pleasure, money, or
yeah,
happiness, I do not want it.
yeah,
I do not want to talk about it. I don't want to see it. I'm not interested.
exactly. It's not gonna help you in any other way. In any way, what the fuck is happening inside the country? Because
and,
it
and
doesn't concern our lives.
and since I've been doing that, I'm more happy. I've made more progress in my businesses slash growing as a person than ever because I'm not
Yeah,
distracted by bullshit.
I, I, I literally have the same like values as you, almost.
Doesn't bring me pleasure, happiness, or money. I'm not interested. Don't talk to me about it.
It just takes your time, and give you stress and blah blah blah.
I couldn't care less about what was happening in the country I'm in. I'll just go to another country. I have one of the strongest passports in the world. I'm a Swedish citizen. I can go to more
Really?
countries than I can ever fucking travel to.
Yes, bro. Pakistani passport sucks. You have
Bro,
no idea.
The Swedish now is the second in the world, right below Korea. Korea is the first,
Korea,
the most
Korea's
countries you can
first.
visit without a visa. Second is Swedish.
Oh, without a visa? What do you mean?
Yeah, like you could just literally get a visa on landing for 3 months. I could go anywhere in the world.
Yes, bro. That is amazing. So, do you travel or not?
I mean, I've traveled enough when I was young and till now. I'm just settling down. What about American passport? It's somewhere in the top 10, but it's definitely not as strong as the Swedish. Um, American is probably like let me look actually. Hold on. Uh, world passport lists. Oh, sorry. Japanese is number one. So wait. 2022. There we go. Okay, so the 2022 list, right? The updated version. Number one, United Arab Emirates. Number two, Germany, Sweden, Finland. Number three, Denmark, Norway. Number four, Malta. No, hold on. Number three, United States. Okay, of America. Yeah. Number one, United Arab Emirates. Number two, Germany, Swedish, Finland. Um, there's a lot in number two, and South Korea. And then number three, Denmark, Norway, Belgium, Portugal, Poland, Japan, Ireland, and United States of America. So there you have it.
So,
Second,
how do you get like a passport of United States per se? Like,
what
can
do you
I
mean?
get that passport?
it's
Or
it's really difficult to get a passport from these countries,
fine?
especially if you're from a different countries like Middle Eastern countries and stuff. I don't know how it works to be honest. I think you have to live there and apply, and if you get accepted, or I don't know
Okay,
anything
so
about that.
I have to go up through a process of like 5 6 years. You're
The
saying?
the whole lot, yeah. Personally, I just think that But I don't know how, because I just got it like from my dad. Like I was born and then I took it. And,
So you can just land there and get a visa, or you have to get the visa and then travel
no,
there. Like get the
no.
visa on the airport.
Yeah, so
How does it
basically,
work?
for the countries, for some countries, like because Swedish is a European Union, right? So I could just go without any visa. I can stay there,
Yeah, I
live.
know that one.
But for other
I know.
countries, so like for America, for example, I can either apply
Yeah.
online and get it instantly, or
Yes.
yes, instantly, or I can just land
Oh,
there and then get a 3 months holiday visa at landing in the airport.
how can you board the flight without a visa?
Huh?
How do you board a flight without a visa
Because you're a
from your
Swedish
country to
citizen.
America? What?
Because you,
Really?
yes, they check your citizenship before you fly, correct? They check your passport. And then when you book your flight, I think you also have to like put what passport you're flying in and if you need a visa or not. So some would say apply here and then you can apply online and get it. The next day or something. I don't know. I've never been to America, so I can't really tell you for sure. But I've never heard where I have to get a visa before I travel anyway. And I've been to um, Middle East, Egypt, Turkey, Norway, Ireland, UK, South Africa, um, Zimbabwe. I've been around. I've never like had to stop or apply for a visa before.
I guess you're like, in a sense, financial free and like also location free.
Literally,
Right.
location free.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why I said.
Awesome, bro.
That's why I said like I couldn't care less about what happening in this country because I could just go to another one.
And the nature of your business is also like kind of location. So you
Oh
don't
yeah,
have
yeah,
to stick to one place.
yeah. I could do this from anywhere. I just need Wi-Fi.
That's awesome. Oh, so KSI won the fight.
I
And
did
he's gonna
see
fight
that.
Andrew now.
Yeah, I saw that.
Do you think he's gonna fight Andrew Tate now? Do you think Andrew Tate's gonna fight him?
Nah, he's more likely to fight Jake Paul than Andrew Tate.
Really? I was hoping, because yeah, I really want KSI versus Jake Paul. Like I really, really want that, but kind of part of me wants Andrew Tate versus KSI. Who do you think is gonna win?
Whoever trains the hardest, I guess.
What?
Whoever trains the
Yeah, yeah.
hardest.
I mean, Tate has obviously fight experience, but he doesn't have boxing experience, and he's kind of old.
That's what I said. Yeah, whoever has the whoever trains the hardest will win.
Well, let's see. Tate has been canceled, so to stay relevant, you gotta pick some shit. Maybe like pick a fight with one of the biggest YouTubers like KSI. But let's see, man. They're definitely hyping it up. Maybe they've already planned the fight because Tate has called out KSI. KSI has called out Andrew. Tate. Let's see.
KSI called
Maybe they're
Andrew.
hyping. Yeah, after KSI won the fight, the two fights of the night, he called out Andrew Tate very like specifically. Didn't you watch the end? Fight?
No.
He said like Andrew Tate, I want a piece of that. Like that was very, everybody hyped up in the ring. They were like, whoa.
That's interesting. Because I thought he would just call Jake Paul and be like, let's fucking go.
He didn't even mention Jake Paul in that
Oh,
one.
wow. Maybe he's still
Yeah,
scared
he
of him.
mentioned. I don't think he's scared of him. I think they're just, they want to cash it out as much as possible. So they're like still hype in the hyping stage, maybe. And honestly, I think Jake Paul is a like really, really good boxer. So I'm not sure if KSI wants like get a difficult match right away.
They are biz parents. What do you mean by that? Sway Pinel Darker? I butchered your name there,
What?
didn't I?
I think the trade has activated. You see that?
Yeah, of course. Have you not seen that?
Yeah, I've been playing Subway Surf while
Yeah.
talking.
And we in profit.
Yeah, we are. One of the trades, are you gonna close it for 0.01?
No, I'm just gonna move
Okay.
stop loss and break even.
Right now? Are you
Right,
doing
right
for all
fucking
three of them?
now. I'm not taking chances tonight.
For all three of them?
All three of them.
Awesome, man. Let me do that.
I'm not losing tonight, sorry.
Yeah, me neither.
I refuse to go to bed with a loss tonight. Stop loss is a break even. Zero risk is on the table. Let's see if this thing will run or stop us out. They are business partners. Who is business partners?
Yes, I am Logan Paul.
Yeah, I know that. But we were not talking about Logan. We were talking about Jake.
Okay? I'm not sure who Jake is partners with.
No, he's not.
Yeah.
I know.
Jake is kind of a dick, but it works in his favor because he
Hey,
has
bro,
this
this man makes millions. Fair play to him. That's all I'm gonna say.
exactly. It works in his favor. He has this persona in the boxing. He has like made this vibe around him that he's like a tough guy. Which pretend long enough and you are that guy. So he's becoming a legitimate boxer at this point.
Yeah. Bro, I'm sick and tired of being followed by fake accounts. Every fucking day, I'm being followed by fake accounts. It's so annoying.
On YouTube? What do you mean by fake accounts?
So like
Where
for
are you being?
fake gurus, fake people copying other people accounts.
What do you mean?
Okay, so who do you know? Who's the most famous trader you know
Okay, most famous trader?
that you
Forex
personally know?
trader or
Yeah, Forex trader.
Forex? Yeah, I think Raja Banks is like pretty.
Raja Banks. So there would be somebody pretending to be him on Instagram. He would make a fake profile pretending to be Raja Banks, post everything Raja Banks posts on his story on his
Yeah,
account, and then he goes and follows me. That's a fake account.
yeah, yeah.
So I've been
I know
getting
that.
followed by all successful, rich, famous forex traders such as Q Banks, Alex G, Lambo Raul,
Yeah,
who else? Fucking Druzy Banks, uh,
on big accounts.
yes, Andrew, Anthony Williams,
Why, bro?
Anthony's World, Will's FX, Tori, fake accounts of everybody just following me. It's so annoying.
Why?
I don't know, bro. I have no idea why. I can't
And
answer
what?
you.
How did they find your Instagram? I don't think you have it on
I
your
guess
like,
because I
profile.
follow these people, so they go to their followers
Yeah,
and they spam
yeah,
follow.
yeah. I get. Yeah, that could be.
That's what they probably do. And I love when I get a DM like, "Hey, bro, how you doing? I noticed you follow me. let me help you. How's your trading journey going? Be like, better than you,
Yeah.
better than you, fucking scam the fuck out of here, bitch. Go scam somebody else,
It's
you
like
idiot.
it's like the thing we're dumb. We're not gonna click on the profile and verify.
So
That's
ridiculous, bro.
huge ass motherfucking YouTuber following us back. It's like what?
Same for me. Yeah, man, it's so annoying with these people.
I think Lamberol is the most famous one, if I'm not mistaken.
Nah, I think Qbanks is up there.
I don't. You know, I just got into this Forex thing just recently, so I'm not really familiar with everybody.
Yeah, Qbanks is the goat when it comes to Forex. Because he taught Lambo, right?
Like, what's like his strategy
I took his course.
or trading style? Or is it good?
Yeah, I mean, if you look at one of my first ever YouTube videos, it was
Yeah.
probably, I was trading the same strategy he does. But back in the day,
Oh,
his strategy was different.
yeah.
So like I took his, like, back in the day, and I took his and I think his strategy is different now. He only trades like US 30 and stuff. Um but I don't know, like I didn't find myself liking it. Like I took a lot from it. I learned a lot from it, but this is why they say, like, don't just take one person's course and call it a day. Like, try different, see who you go with, who do you like more. Like I learned a lot from him, and I learned a lot from different traders, and then I built my own strategy out of everything together. So it's like, okay, I really like what he does here, I'll take that. And then I'll look at different trader and be like, damn, he's really good at this specific point, I'm gonna add that. And then I'll look at the third trader and be like, okay, he's really good with the Fibonacci, I'm gonna take that. And then put them all together and make my own fucking formula of strategy, if that makes sense.
All the best things are
What?
trading style.
What did you say?
I said you took all the good things and then formulated your own style. You know, made your own style
100%,
out of it.
100%, yeah. It really works that way.
So why do you still follow these
Why not? I mean,
guys? Okay, just because.
why not? Yeah. Social media is for what reason? Why do we have social? Why do we have phones? Why do we do anything?
Yeah, I see. Yeah, where you come. Where-
Some of them, bro. When I see fucking Qbanks making $100,000, that's motivation, bro. That is motivation right
Oh,
there.
what's the spelling? Qbanks?
Uh,
How do you spell that?
I think it's a C-U-Q, right? Q, something. I don't know. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, it's a C-U-E and then banks.
So, like these guys have like 7-digit accounts, like, if I'm not mistaken. Like huge ass accounts. That's how they make 100K.
What did you say?
I'm saying these guys have 7-figure accounts, right? If I'm not mistaken. Like
Oh,
that's
100%.
how they make such large amounts of money.
100%, 100%.
Must be nice, you know, taking one trade and then you're like 50,000 in the green.
It's also devastating when you're 50,000 in the red.
Really?
Dude,
You're only losing 1% though.
bro, there's a guy called Anthony's World, right? Anthony William.
Yeah.
He was
Yeah.
down in drawdown $500,000 at some point.
Yeah.
Can you
What?
imagine being in
Like,
drawdown $500,000?
how,
Nuts.
like, is he even alive after that?
Nuts, bro,
Like,
nuts.
how is he, like, what was he risking, or was his account just that big?
No idea. He said it on his podcast.
maybe he has like a lot of money, like different businesses.
No, of course.
Maybe
I'm not saying
can
he
afford.
doesn't, but no matter how fucking rich you are, I mean, that's still $500,000. Come on.
Yeah, I get you. I get you. So, by the way, I think we hit our break.
Yes, we did.
What do we plan now? Just call it a day, or we'll take another setup.
Now we wait.
Mhm.
We just wait and see what happens in this area. Is it gonna break or is it gonna hold? Because if it breaks, then we're gonna start maybe looking to scalp shorts. But if it holds, then we can go back in. Because if price didn't fly from here, that's fine. We didn't lose anything.
Yeah.
That's okay. We now wait. We watch and see what happens. We react now.
Mhm. Well, we did lose like a little bit of commissions.
He what?
A little bit of commissions.
Oh, like did you have your like break even at exactly break even? Like give yourself some.
Yeah.
No man, I manually just drag my on MT5. You can drag your stop loss so that you
Really?
are yes. Wait, you use MT4?
No. No, I'm choosing M25. But can you do that on your phone?
Yeah. I just press and then manually with my finger move my stops above the stop the entry point, and then when I get
So
stopped
like
out, I'm like stopped out in
one
$1, $2, $12.
oh, okay, okay.
Sorry, few cents, but at least it covers the commissions. Yeah, so the
Yeah,
commissions what
I got hit. I got hit with them commissions, babe.
my commissions was 0.08, so but I got stopped
Yeah,
out at 0.12.
I
So
got stopped out at 0.0 exactly because I moved the price exactly to break.
so yeah,
I
you'll be a
got hit.
little bit down.
Yeah, that's fine, but yeah, it really adds up when you're trading like bigger lots.
100%.
What chart are you looking at? 1 hour or 15 minutes right now?
What do you mean?
Like what kind of confirmation you're looking for? Like on a 15-minute chart or
Yeah,
1 hour chart?
15, 15. Definitely 15. Waiting for a 15 because 1 hour we closed bullish above the level and above these highs. So now this is this gonna be a retracement or was this a fake out for, because if this next hour candle closes below the level, then we'll look for a little bit of a retest and then take it down maybe.
Just
We'll
a
see.
short?
Yeah. We'll just react to the market, see what it wants to do. So you can see here 15-minute closed below.
Yeah.
But let's see. This could be on. I mean, we're not in the trade, so there's no. Let's just watch it and see what it
Oh,
wants to do. Yeah.
yeah. Is Hamad in this trade right now?
Is who Hamad?
Yeah, Hamad in this trade as well.
I'm not sure. He hasn't said anything.
Is he in the call right now?
I am not sure.
He doesn't speak a lot.
Jeez, he got both. Oh my god, he got Lulu too.
Closing below, I think.
I like to stay entertained. This shit is boring.
What are you doing right now?
Watching YouTube videos.
Okay. Yeah, this shit is boring. Yeah, one more thing I wanted to ask you, like, how do you cope with the, mundaneness of trading? After, the starting phase or the initial phase, after a while, it kind of, the adrenaline gets, low, damped, and the, mundaneness, the repetitiveness starts. How do you cope with that? Don't you think sometimes it's like boring as fudge?
You're kind of breaking, so I have no idea what you just asked me. I know adrenaline, but I don't know what you mean by that.
I meant like, how do you like stand the boredom of trading?
Well, I can't. I don't really get bored because I'm like busy always. Like I stream on my other channel throughout the day, and then
Okay.
I'm ready and fresh for Asia session. I'm up here for
What's your other channel, by the way? What's
I'm
your other channel? Do you have a gaming channel?
yeah, I do. Just started it. It's
Well,
new. Um,
okay. On YouTube?
yeah, I'll send you the link now on Discord.
Yeah, do that.
So that I keep busy on my other channel, and then I'm on here for a few hours for Asia session. So I don't really spend any time on Forex besides when I'm online here with you guys. And I don't even look at the charts. Like I have alerts in certain areas, and that's it. If my phone sends me a message like, "Hey, price is where you want it to be," then I'll look and I'm interested. If it's not there, why would I be looking at random candles?
Exactly. Because you have your structure, your analysis, trading
Yep,
plan. Why do you need
hundred
all the
percent,
other information?
100%. I
That's
definitely don't. Yeah.
exactly. Okay.
Copy. Boom. Here is the link. I'll send it to you now. Discord.
You just tell me the name. I'll search it on.
Why can I not send you the link?
You can. Sure.
No, look.
Where's
Dismiss.
you're not able to?
Yeah, no, Discord won't allow me to send the link.
Oh crap.
What?
Man, maybe just edit the URL a little bit. The HTTP sometimes. If you edit that out, you could sometimes.
Well, here's the names. See, your message could not be delivered. Oh, so it's not this usually because you don't share a server with a reception. What do you mean I don't share a server with you? I do share a server with you. You're literally in my server. What are you talking about? Wait, did you leave recently and rejoined?
Yeah, I accidentally left. So
Huh, I did. I kind of was like, what is this man doing?
I accidentally, I was deleting extra servers, but I accidentally deleted this.
Yeah, did you get the message?
Which message? Yeah, I think so. Forex?
Yeah.
Is that your gaming channel?
Yeah, go see if you find it.
Okay. Why did you like have Forex in your gaming channel though?
I don't know, I just rock with it.
I always think it's weird that people like have Forex in their name.
But it's but mine is not Forex though.
Well, it's still Forex.
Yeah, but like it's not.
Come on.
A lot of no, I hate the FX. Like whatever FX. Like people do the FX, I hate that. I don't like that.
Yeah, it's so scammy looking. I don't know why.
I just feel like the 4 and the X looks better. Visually,
sure. Absolutely.
Yes. That's why I rock with
Absolutely.
it. That's why I rock with it. Yeah.
But still, I mean, it insinuates that you trade, right?
100%.
So that's kind
yes.
of like you're like making it part of your identity.
I am a marketing genius.
So
So
I
now
find that like a little bit weird for like Will's FX, Trade with Pat, blah blah blah, Trader Nick, and Raja Banks. For example, you're kind of associating your identity with Forex. I don't know if I want to do that. Yeah, if I ever become a successful trader, that is.
yeah.
So why would you want one thing to identify you? That's my like.
Yeah, you definitely don't have to, but what my idea behind it is, you're a gamer, you find my channel and you simply go, what is the name mean? And I'll be like, obviously the K stands for my name, Kamal, and then the Forex stands for because I'm also a day trader. I day trade on the side. Are you interested? Come, let me help you. Boom, boom, boom. Business done. I just made money. Simple.
Oh my gosh, got you. All right, you're thinking long. I found your channel.
You found it, yeah? Cool.
Yep. What game do you play?
League.
I don't know.
Yeah, only League.
Okay. Yeah, League of Legends.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So, you should scale up your channel maybe. Like, clickbait, stuff like that. Making thumbnails, custom thumbnails, stuff like that. What about that? Did you think about it?
What I do there is what I enjoy doing. So it's not like I need it to grow, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
I'm doing what I really enjoy doing, what I want to do when I want to do it, and if it grows, cool, it grows. There's another stream of income. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. It doesn't bother me. But if somebody would want to do that for a living, then yeah, I agree with you. You have to like kind of branch out and reach more audience. But for now, I just do what I enjoy doing. Couldn't care about that channel, to be honest.
Oh, can you hear me? Hello?
Yo, what's up?
Yeah, is my sound okay or is it bad?
It's a little worse, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I just changed my headphones.
Yeah, it's
Sorry, the old headphones died, so I'm gonna have to make do with that.
just type me if you need something.
Sure.
Can you mute your mic, please?
What?
Can you mute your mic?
Okay.
Yeah, it's making like terrible noise, sorry.
Um,
So terrible, bro. So terrible. This man. UJ. Let's see where this candle closes. Jeez, this market is so crazy. It doesn't know what it wants to do. Oh, bro, you're just consolidating, man. This is so annoying. I'm sick and tired of this, bro. Such a fucking waste of my time. This bear needs to fucking move, bro. I'm sick and tired of like what the fuck is this? Decide where do you want to fucking go, guys. Look at the daily, right? Jeez, bro, look at that. Disgusting. So disgusting, bro. Anyway, hey, we didn't win, we didn't lose. It is what it is. It's fucking 3 a.m. my time now, and price is just going up and down, up and down. I don't know. This whole area could be now a brand new consolidation area. Anyway, you guys know my point of view on this pair. I'm bullish as fuck, but when it decides to finally wants to go up, either way, there's no point in me sitting here for hours and hours upon hours. I am gonna call it a day right here. And yeah, guys, as always, thank you for tuning in. YouTube, love you, appreciate you all. I'm out. Peace. All right, boys.